everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add two songs to a TikTok video. Alright, first thing that you need to do here is to open up your TikTok app and wait for it to load. Now once you're in here, just go ahead and tap on the plus sign at the bottom of your screen, tap on that. Alright, so what we're going to do here basically is to record our video or upload a video. So for example, right here, I'm going to record a video. Hello, this is a test video, 1, 2, 3. Alright. So what I'm going to do here basically is just tap on this edit icon right here at the top. All right. Tap on that. Now what you're going to want to do next is to add a sound, which is going to be your first sound. All right. For example, here, this one. All right. Once done, tap on this drop down icon right here. Tap on that. And you're going to want to select overlay right here. So once you're here, make sure to select a video or a pre-recorded video that has an audio. All right. Like for example, here in my camera, just for example, all right, this is my video that has pre-recorded audio. Just imagine that the pre-recorded audio is the rain. All right. Go ahead and tap on next and wait for it to load. All right. As you can see here, it is now added. So when we go ahead and play, all right, for example, right here, our first music will play and the second music will play. So what we're going to do to basically get the video out of the music is just drag the photo, all right, this one, just hold it out and drag it outside of the main video. All right, as you can see here, I'm just going to go ahead and hit on play. And that's basically it. Once done, just go ahead and hit on save and share it whenever you like. And I hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.